Last week was a very bad trading week for the US dollar. It closed below a major support zone, and it looks like we're going to see DXY reaching 94 within days. Yellen was supposed to save the dollar last week with her testimony in front of the Congress, but when she failed to do so, with the lack of the Fed support, the dollar came crashing down on Friday with a bad CPI read. So now we have a situation in which the majors are on the verge of bullish breakouts, breaking out of weekly yearly trading ranges. We saw pound USD climbing above the psychological level 1.3 last week. Aussie USD climbed above 0.77, another weekly resistance zone, and Euro USD tried to close above 1.15, the top of its yearly trading range. It seems like investors assume that the Fed won't keep up to his word and won't hike for the third time in 2017, that the data simply won't allow it. And on the other hand, other central banks will follow the Fed's footsteps and start hiking rates. And that may explain the reason why the dollar is weakening against the other majors. These two assumptions are making this trading week a very interesting one, because we're going to get to hear two central banks talking about the rate decision and future monetary policy, Bank of Japan and the ECB. So pay attention to that this week. As per technical levels, pay attention to 95 in DXY. That can be support, but if you've been following me on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, you know that my analysis projects that DXY will eventually reach 94. This projection pretty much supports the bearish harmonic scenario that I mentioned for pound USD, with bearish harmonic pattern completion about 150 pips higher than where the price is at right now. So we have to see how the dollar will open the trading week. Will it continue its bearish momentum? If so, then maybe it will reach 94 already this week. If not, pay attention to 95. That can provide support, short-term support for the dollar. And if dollar index will get boosted from the short-term support zone, 95, maybe 1.15 in Euro USD and 1.31 in pound USD are resistance level that you want to focus on ECB week. Obviously, it all depends on how you read the markets, but if you want to read my analysis, you can do it by reading the weekly market analysis, the newsletter that I'm going to publish later today at www.themarketzone.net. So check it out.